Welcome back. Tonight on the gadget shelf, we will be unboxing the ROG Phone 5S. This phone came out like 4 months ago, and I think they have new stocks coming into the country. And yeah, we're looking at a 256 GB 12 gig model here. This is, for clarification, the ROG Phone 5S. This is not the Pro or the Ultimate version, which means it doesn't have the screen at the back. So once again, it's a Snapdragon 888 Plus, 6.78 inches FHD Plus display. So it's supposed to come with a bumper inside of it. Let's check out what's inside the box of the ROG Phone 5S. Now, there's a lot of stigma with ROG Phone 5, and we'll see. Purchasing an ROG Phone 5, some people talk about a lot of potential problems with it, but I think some of those are a bit unwarranted. So, as you can see, even though this is not the trapezoidal box version, it still has the comic, and once you have the phone open, you're supposed to be able to see animations happening on this. So yeah, that's the entire flap right there. There's a holographic ROG eye there. And then we have this box, which contains documentation, the bumper, the SIM card tray ejector tool. Yep. All standard fare within the ROG phone family. You have the phone facing, well, not facing you, so it's showing you what is at the back. And as you can see, it tells you that it does charge from the side. It's currently covered. Okay. And we'll set this aside for a moment. What else do we have here? Armory crate, and then you can watch the comic here. What else do we have inside? Pretty sure there's a charger in here. So we have a charger. It's USB-C to C. Let's see, what is this? 65 watts max. Yep, so it's a full speed for the ROG Phone 5S. C2C braided cable. Extra covers for if and when, if you do lose the covers. Yeah, this is for the main USB-C port over there. I'll put this back in for now. Let's just slide it off. I mean, I thought I had a big phone, but this is even bigger. Now, as you can see, the back here is an extreme fingerprint magnet, and you want to put something on that. All right, let's turn it on. Okay, Snapdragon Elite Gaming, that's what it says. And the fantastic dynamic sound, the ROG. Yep, English US, it's okay. So that took a little bit of time. So yeah, it will be daily driving the ROG 5S so that we can see what the issues are all about, if there are any. Okay, so that's the unboxing of the ROG Phone 5S, and I will see you guys for the review in a couple of weeks. Take care. Good night.